Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tinkeronics channel, where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to learn MS VBA Excellence, VBA Constants. This is lesson number 7. Without further ado, let's get it started. All right, so a few house cleaning items on the way in. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to keep up to date on the lessons. Share the video with a friend, like the video on the way in. All helps algorithm. Welcome and thank you. We also have the Grocery Dynamite Access Database 2016 database system. It's a basic database that allows you to keep track of, like, say, your grocery purchases. You can rate groceries. You can set priorities based upon your grocery needs. It's a real simple database that allows you to track your brands by store and and all the different things that go with the different grocery things, like the quantities and such, and you can get real detailed with it. If you would like to get a copy of the Grocery Dynamite database, you could go to grocerydynamite.com, or you could go to info@grocerydynamite.com for information. It requires Microsoft Office 2016 Professional Plus or later. All right, so in the lesson today, a constant, we're doing VBA constants. A constant is a named memory location used to hold a value that cannot be changed during script execution. If a user tries to change a constant value, the script execution ends up with an error. Constants are declared the same way the variables are declared. Okay. And be sure to hit the like button if you're not already done so. It helps us all out here. All right, so the basic rules of constants are such that you must use a letter as the first character. You can't use a space, a period, exclamation mark, or the following: at sign, ampersand, dollar sign, and numeric sign in the name. Name can't exceed 255 characters in length. Visual Basic reserved keywords can't be used. Okay. Now, the syntax is such that in VBA, we need to assign a value to the declared constants. An error is thrown if we try to change the value of the constant. You could use the const statement to declare a constant and set its value. It's done as like this. You have constant, const, the constant name, as constant type equals to constant value. And you can see in the example I use constant my integer 1 as integer 42. And that's how it really works. I rarely use constants, but constants are exactly that which would do not change. So constants can be declared as one of the following data types: Boolean, byte, integer, long, currency, single, double, date, string, or variant. Because you already know the value of a constant, you can specify the data type in const statement. You could declare several constants in one statement. To specify a data type, you must include the data type for each constant. So you guys got that? You guys with me on this one here? It's pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff. I hope you're all taking notes. All right. So now we're ready for a constant demo. Let us create a button constant demo to perform the demonstration of how to work with constants. And as a twist, I am going to basically try to change a constant and see what is the error message that we're going to get. You guys ready for this? All right, I'm ready. So we're just going to get ready to do the setup for the screen. I got to make sure that my screen is ready to go. We don't want to, go into the, screen unprepared. We're now prepared. Here we are. Here we are. All right, so this is what we have before us today. we have the exact same code that I demonstrated in the slide previous. And what happens is I, we basically declared some constants here. Um, and I did a date, a string, an integer, and then we did a message box to basically declare these items or display these items. So what's going to happen is I've tied this demo to this button here, and this is exactly what we get. Now we're going to try to change the first integer and see what happens. Now, I never tried to change a constant before, so we're going to try something a little fun today. So we're going to take this value here and we're going to change it to 43. And then we're going to see what happens. Save our work as always. I'm going to close up out of it. Do the demo. Now, this is the error message that you're going to get. It says compile error, assignment to a constant not permitted. So that's what you get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. It's been great fun doing these lessons, no doubt. Let's get back to the presentation at hand and wrap it up. So yeah, that's basically what a constant is. If you are interested, we have a Grocery Dynamite Access Database 2016 system. It's a basic database that allows you to keep track of your grocery purchases. It ties the brands to the grocery categories, to the ratings, and the priorities, and it kicks out a report to your Google Cloud when you click the high priority button. I have a video and I have like demonstration in the video, and I also have links, and we'll show you where to get them at. The links are in the information section below. Also, too, if you would like to get a copy of Grocery Dynamite Access System, you could go to grocerydynamite.com. You can email me info@grocerydynamite.com. It requires Office 2016 Professional Plus or later. And thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe on your way out. Hit the share. Sharing is caring. And like the video. All you do helps us out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.